Hey guys, Mr. Fox here. I recently posted a new poll on my community page. I would love it if more people would check my community page out. I post a lot of votes. Sadly, the most I've ever gotten on one of my votes is only 4 votes. So I'd just like to see. So far I have 57 subscribers, and so 4 votes isn't that much compared to 57 subscribers. So I would love it if you went and checked out my community page. I have all sorts of polls, some recipes, and all sorts of stuff like that. So it would really help if you guys would just go check out my community page. It's fun. I got tons of votes. Actually, I just posted one today, and it's asking you who your favorite member of my cast is. There's me, Mr. Fox, Mr. Fox Jr., Tucker, and Madam Fox. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a great day. Mr. Fox out.